morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some warm and humid conditions across the region this morning, seeing temperatures already in the upper 80s, dew points in the mid-70s, so our heat index right now is in the upper 90s. Should see that heat index top 100 a day, possibly up to 107 degrees for this afternoon, so very uncomfortably hot across the region today. If you are doing any outdoor work today, make sure you do take plenty of breaks, drinking plenty of water to stay hydrated. We do have a chance of seeing some thunderstorms for later this afternoon into the evening hours. The latest model guidance has given us more confidence that we will see those thunderstorms for this afternoon and the evening, as most high-res models have indicated we will see some thunderstorms moving through the region. As far as our heat goes, we do have a heat advisory in effect from the Weather Office from now until 1700 local or 5 p.m. today. Taking a look at our current sounding from this morning, freezing level at 15,300 feet. Winds are out of the southwest in the low levels and slightly higher than they were yesterday, seeing southwesterly winds around 23 knots at 1,000 feet, up to 28 knots at 6,000 feet, and that's actually our peak wind in the sounding this morning. Then winds become more westerly above 9,000 feet and around 15 to 20 knots. Our current surface analysis, we have a cold front that's going to be moving towards the region for this evening, currently across the Ohio Valley into the Tennessee Valley. We have another lee trough on the east side of the Appalachians that's currently going to approach the region for this afternoon as well, and in combination with those, the trough and the front, we're going to see the shower and thunderstorm activity increase across the region for this afternoon and evening hours. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery this morning, you can see we do have some upper level cirrus cloudiness across the region. That's going to continue to move in the region from the west. We do have a little bit of low level cloudiness across the region as well. That'll be the case for today, with primarily upper level cirrus cloudiness, a bit of mid level cloudiness, and some low level cloudiness across the region. We'll see that low level cloudiness increase around 3,000 to 5,000 feet this afternoon, with the cumulus clouds developing ahead of that trough moving towards the region. And taking a look at our HRRR model for today, this is noon, and then moving into the afternoon, here's 2 p.m. and then 4 p.m. You can see here some showers and thunderstorms starting to develop along that trough and the front approaching, and then by about 6 o'clock this evening should see an area of showers and thunderstorms near the Wallops region across the central and southern Delmarva. They'll continue to move through the region most likely until about 10 p.m. Later this evening, and then it should clear out across the region. Moving into Friday, we'll see some cloud coverage across the region, mainly in the upper levels for Friday, but we'll see a very slight chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm as the HRRR is developing. A shower or thunderstorm near Ocean City up into the Maryland, northern Maryland beaches, southern Delaware beaches, but here at Wallops should see dry conditions tomorrow, and this shower thunderstorm activity across the beaches looks fairly limited in coverage as well. Moving into our European model for the next few days, starting out on Saturday, going to have a hot and humid day once again for Saturday. We'll see a little bit less humidity on Friday. That'll keep our heat index around 100 for Friday, and Saturday we'll see that back over 100 easily. Possibly once again back up to nearly 105 degrees during the afternoon hours on Saturday for our heat index. Move into Sunday, continued dry conditions as that upper level ridge remains over the region. Hot conditions once again expected for Sunday. Heat index values over 100 degrees likely for Sunday as well. And then for Monday, looks like we'll see a cold front starting to approach from the north and west. That's going to give us possibilities of some showers and thunderstorms during the evening hours. Still a hot day though for Monday once again, seeing those heat index values most likely over 100 once again for Monday. Then we'll see that cold front kind of stall out across the region for Monday, Tuesday, and into Wednesday, and that should give us several chances of showers and thunderstorms. Won't be as hot as we'll have more cloud cover, as well as the chances of thunderstorms during the afternoon and evening, so should see temperatures on the upper 80s instead of the mid-90s that we're going to see the next few days. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, a high today of 95 degrees here at Wallops, a low tonight of 75. Southwesterly winds 10 to 15 knots, possibly gusting as high as 22 knots. If we do see that thunderstorm move through the region, we should see those winds gusting above 25 knots briefly with that thunderstorm moving through. Looking like a 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms from 1600 local until about 20 local, or from 4 to 8 p.m. this evening. That looks like our best chance, as the models have really increased in coverage, and timing has come into agreement of seeing those showers and thunderstorms during that time period. So I have increased our chances for that time period on the chart at the 10 o'clock update. As far as our winds go overnight, we'll see westerly winds to northwesterly winds by tomorrow morning, 5 to 10 knots. Our heat index today, as I mentioned, will be between 102 and 107 degrees this afternoon, so very hot and humid. As far as the 24-hour terminal forecast, we don't see those showers and thunderstorms across the region. Should see VFR conditions today into tomorrow morning. Slight chance we see some patchy fog if we do have that rainfall over the region. We'll have fairly light winds overnight, and that should allow us to see a possibility of that patchy fog if we do see the rainfall across the region. Our tides are running normal, and looking at Friday and Saturday, Friday partly cloudy, hot and humid, heat index near 100, high of 93. Friday night, partly cloudy and warm, low of 77. And for Saturday, partly cloudy, hot and humid, heat index between 100 and 105 degrees. And see a high once again of 93 degrees. So for the next 7 days, 95 degrees today, 93 on Friday and Saturday. Sunday looks like a high in the lower 90s. Right now on Saturday and Sunday, models indicate the wind is going to be off the water fairly quickly during the late morning and the afternoon hours. That should keep our temperatures capped in the lower 90s. If we do see a bit of a more westerly wind on either of those days, we'll easily see the mid-90s, as inland locations of the peninsula will see upper 90s for both Saturday and Sunday, possibly seeing a 100-degree reading here or there. For Monday, once again, continued hot and humid conditions, 93 degrees for expected high here at Wallops, 50% chance of some afternoon and evening thunderstorms. Then for Tuesday, much the same, temperatures a bit cooler, still humid. Temperatures in the upper 80s on Tuesday and Wednesday. Looks like a better chance of some thunderstorms on Tuesday, afternoon, evening. And then looks like isolated storms for Wednesday. It just depends on how that front moves to the region and how quickly it's able to get through the area. Right now, looks like we'll continue to see that chance on Wednesday. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.